I usually go. My usual dish is in a jalfrezi, vegetable jalfrezi.
Let's have lots of vegetables.
Yeah, it's lovely that.
Yeah.
And
Always have
steam
it.
is coming out.
You always
of
know
it.
you're
So
good with that
delicious
one.
curry, yeah.
It's such a nice curry. Yeah. Nice, not too strong, but nice. You've got the chili in it, and it's tomato based.
Now you can tell me the difference. My daughter too.
So we are making tahari today with our chef Daniel and Mabel, and I'm helping together.
The main thing is inside it. Because I know with the green ones, when you
We have put oil already. Now we are putting cumin seeds.
you use this one.
Very nice.
But I did not know about black curry. Ah, okay.
That smells good already.
Yeah. We have added salt here. So we have covered it now, and what it will happen, all the water from onion will come out and mix in oil. To put chili. The best part is our friends are ready to eat chili. Many few people in England can eat chili. So thanks to Daniel and Mabel, they can eat chili. Next we are putting tomatoes. Yes, please.
What's the order then? Because the onions are tougher, the tomatoes.
In our language we say hing, and in English it's as a fatida. It comes from a tree.
So here Daniel has already mixed turmeric, coriander powder, kitchen king masala, and all different types of spices which are there. You can see. Yeah. Now mix it properly. Anyone can mix. Camille is learning. Her rice are already ready. Can we see once? Yes. These are already ready, and these are going to be ready soon. Now we put fine chopped all the vegetables in this, please. If
All of these.
maybe we can start one by one. We'll see how much it will go.
Leave the water in there.
Yeah.
At this moment I don't know what you're going here.
Put rice, and that is our last ingredients for making tahari. This is pressure cooker.
Exactly.
Not exactly. This is actual pressure cooker. This is known as pressure cooker.
But you'd use one in normal cooking like